Printer not connecting to Wi-Fi. Here's a quick fix. Step 1. Restart everything. Turn off your printer, router, and computer. Wait 30 seconds, then power them back on. Printer placed close to Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi signal. Keep your printer close to the router. Weak signals, failed connections. You can even use a Wi-Fi extender. Typing password on printer panel /HP Smart App. Step 3. Re-enter your Wi-Fi password. Many errors come from outdated or incorrect details. Update via the printer panel or HP Smart App. Download symbol HP support page screenshot. Step 4. Update or reinstall printer drivers. Download the latest from HP support page. If it still won't connect, uninstall and reinstall. Printer printing and network config page. Step 5. For HP DeskJet 2800 series. Print a network configuration page to confirm your IP. Use the Clean Print Head tool to fix both Wi-Fi and print issues. For more information, visit PrinterFix Support. Call us +1 877 595 9194 +44 736 159 5441.